I said Paul is basically the Wish version of me now. I am Tuner.
Oh man, it looks so terrible. Can you make it look better in edit? It's just dirty. It gets work. It's not a
I mean, it's a tow rig.
It is a tow rig.
It does its job.
It's ridiculous, but it works.
Rode hard and put away wet, baby.
Yep. Tune 3, 1120 horsepower. Let's go. I hate videoing this truck. It should look better than it does. It's going to be used for too long. Makes me all paranoid. It's all jiggity jank.
Hey, I will tell you this thing looks fucking show quality compared to 90% of the shit that you see at shows.
Debatable. Okay. I appreciate your kindness, sir.
I mean, I'm just being... Have you seen some of the shit at some of these shows? It is fucking terrible. Like vinyl wrap over the fucking back window. You remember that one?
That my tools are gonna be missing now. Paul Cato's working on my box.
And I do be loving third gen everything. I won't even stand up. Oh, there it goes. Had erectile dysfunction. I just gotta keep saying, poor old girl, she's beat up.
You want to tell the people what we're doing today on this?
What are we doing? We are installing only the finest AC components that we can get. Actually, we are getting full send diesels like dryer relocation with the soft lines, because I've got this jumbled mess, and then these don't really work, and they're bent and kinked and all sorts of other shit, so.
And they leak.
And they leak, yeah. So we're putting new ones on, and because we're going to Houston, pick up Gideon from H. Terrence, we got to put an engine in his truck. And it's not cold down there, it's hot. And it doesn't have AC currently because it was wintertime, so now we're fixing it.
It's not cold like it is here. And
no, it's chilly right now. It's
pouring rain.
Freaking, what is it, 65?
I don't know.
2 days from now, it's supposed to be like 90. Like, we're literally going to Houston, we're bringing Houston back with us. It's gonna be like 90, 91.
I didn't want Paul to fix the AC because I wanted to smell man meats all the way down there, but here we are coming back. AC, whatever.
Changing the oil. I got a bunch of transmission parts I still need to put in it because it's still just a pretty basic 68, but I'm lazy.
Basic 68 with 1200 horsepower? 1100?
Yeah, I mean, we have not turned it up just because it's... Well, I can't claim king of stock bottom end because freaking Ryan McNabb just absolutely shit on me with 1350 horsepower.
We can change that before we do a rebuild. We can go.
No, but it's got like stock drum with just clutches and like, I mean, it's the most mild 68 ever. She just doesn't give us any fits.
To know what holds it together. Everybody wants to know. I get the question all the time. How does Paul keep the 68 together?
This baby right here. Yep. She's gotten soft over the years, like SpongeBob. Big toe. That's why I don't let many people drive it. Makes me nervous.
Well, I wouldn't either. I mean, it's 68.
Yeah. No, it's not even the 68 that's the problem. It's the spinny bits and pieces inside the engine. Flying around the fuck out. George Washington, probably. All right, we don't need to document this. I don't know if there's any in here or not, but we already do enough they don't like as it is. Yeah. See? It's an actual screw. It's just Phillips head. Those exist. That's a real thing. They put them on a lot of European vehicles.
And they suck.
I'm not disagreeing. I'm just saying. It's a thing. That wheel's chipped a little bit. She doesn't care. Those 400s don't give two shits, man. They're rippers. Unless Everett owns it.
Yeah, if Everett owns it,
then it's fucked.
You might as well just be ready to buy a new one. I'd have a stock. If I was Everett, I would have 4 on the shelf minimum. And I'd bring 2 with me if I'm taking a road trip somewhere.
Yep.
What? Some jugs of oil?
Yeah. That and turbos. Roasted.
Oil and turbos. Everett leaves my house every Sunday and I look outside. He's just topping off the oil in his truck.
AC lines removed. UPS is here. You following me?
Yeah, I'm following you.
Jickety jank.
Just throw it out. Fuck. The motherfucker didn't send my shirt. What is it? Got a sticker, I ain't get no shirt. What the hell?
Damn it, Kevin.
Hell, Kevin. Now I'm gonna have to call Kev. Be like, what the Kev? Where's my relocation bracket? I got all these lines.
And we got all the shit shit off of it and we need to drive it tomorrow.
Particularly care about relocating it. If they'll reach factory location, I'll put the bitches in the factory spot.
I think that's a relocation kit, so I don't know that it would work that way. But I could be wrong. I don't know anything about it. I've never put one on.
Just something doesn't feel right.
Confusion.
Well,
You know what that is? That's just the relocation deal to be able to put the dryer
So I
from
wonder
up
if
there
that-
down there. It doesn't come with all the other lines.
oh,
Where are the instructions?
what instructions?
Oh, they didn't send any?
There are no instructions.
Full send, what the fuck?
That's why. Hold on.
I am is confusion.
So now I've got to find that $900,000 whatever the fuck it is line. That's going to be hard to edit that. That was a lot of fucks and everything else. I'll just retake it. Now I got to buy that line that's impossible to find. You can't find that line. It doesn't exist. But it doesn't do me any good. All that does is just move shit around. I thought it was all new lines, not just like relocation. I don't need to relocate shit. I just wanted new soft lines so I didn't have to go past my turbo and jangle on. I guess I misunderstood what the kit was for. I thought it was a relocation with all new lines, but it's just lines to relocate it, which after spending the last 20 minutes tweaking the line for my downpipe, I probably should have relocated it, but whatever.
It works.
Yeah,
And it doesn't leak.
shouldn't. We got
Shouldn't.
AC lock on.
Fingers crossed.
No more,
Oh,
cobbled together screw, bud.
Yeah, we got
a bolt.
a somewhat correct bolt.
Ish. I like how it has 3 holes.
You're about to have 3 holes.
Give us an update on what's. Oh, he was not listening to me.
I'll give you an update. We're going to Houston, Texas. We really don't really want to sort of somewhat break down on the side of the road. Typical Paul and Mitchell fashion. And so we're just doing, maintenance shit. Trans fluid.
Got the AC done.
The AC's done. Trans fluid, trans filter, upgraded electronics in the valve body from RevMax. Just some piddly shit. He's got a full rebuild for it, but we ain't got time for that shit this weekend, so this is all we're doing.
I really need to pull it and just. Whoops.
No.
Good thing it landed on the side, it doesn't matter. It's also my truck. Again, doesn't really matter. Who am I gonna call myself, bitch? I just tell myself to fuck off.
I need warranty. You fucked up my trans. Guys, so as you can see here, Paul is finishing assembly on the valve body. At this part, me and Mitchell and the rest of the guys had to leave to go pick up Mitchell's motor from Linco. So you will see that in a different video. I did not, or was not able to film the rest of the video here. Paul got their valve body put back together, and we left for Houston. Didn't get a ton of video clips, but I did get a few, so please enjoy.
One eternity later.
Check engine light when it goes from on.
No, so I gotta turn it off.
Out of sight, out of mind.
it squeaked. Please go in the correct gear. Holy shit, it fucking worked. I'm never stopping again.
Man, good thing about that Jeep, I learned that. Yeah, it become like an
It's like the Jetta. The Jetta does the same thing.
Yeah, it has no lift pump, but it has a manual plunger on the fucking fuel housing.
This might be
And I
the
used to
greatest-
stop and do it, and then I
might
just shut
be
it off one day and reprimed it. And it
The
fucking-
greatest development.
Explain what just happened.
Okay, so my 68 RFE valve body is a little worn in the overdrive switch valve neighborhood. All right, and I've been avoiding replacing it for a long time because, well, I'm me. And so normally it'll limp, and I only have like first and fourth and no lockup, but it's really annoying. I pull over and I shut it off, start it, everything's good again until the next time it does it, which might be 20 minutes, it might be 12 hours. Which determined, or we decided that, what if we just shut it off going down the road and then restart it? Well, it fixed itself. And the answer to that question is absolutely. So no longer will we be stopping to fix limp mode. We just shut it off in neutral. It even squeaks the belt and everything, just like you shut it off. Then start it back up, and put her back in drive, and off we go. So
That's great.
science or something, I don't know. 68 being 68, I guess. That's why we're gonna Allison swap it or something.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.